Hi everyone! Welcome to The Echoes of Literature. In this episode, we're going to hear the echo of Solitude. In Doria Shafiq's poem, as an Egyptian writer and activist, she offers a profound meditation on the nature of isolation, identity, and inner freedom. Written during her years of forced seclusion after being silenced by the Egyptian state, Solitude emerges not merely as a personal reflection but as a philosophical and spiritual exploration of what it means to exist apart from the world. She sees solitude not as a symbol of silence but as a space where the self confronts itself, distractions, and masks. Isolation, though painful, becomes a crucible for clarity, allowing her to preserve her essence beyond roles, expectations, and history. What makes it powerful is its nature as both a personal and political document. On one hand, it reveals the inner life of a woman stripped of her public voice. On the other, it affirms her unbroken intellectual freedom. In conclusion, Solitude is more than a poem. It is a testament to the power of the mind and spirit in the face of isolation. Her solitude becomes a sacred space where suffering gives birth to insight and silence transforms into a powerful act of self-assertion. Doria Shafiq's poem speaks that loneliness can give you the light that you need in the darkness of the world. As she emotionally expresses her solitude, she highlights the good thing about it: comfort, acceptance, and commitment. Her simple 10 lines of poem, she deliberately identifies solitude as not as lonely as can be but surprisingly as good as it gives permission for her to speak anything she wants. Poetry and the loneliness she had become her keys to be loud quietly. The lines are her way to divert her attention in the painfulness of her situation. When she was silenced, it has been her boat in the drowning thoughts she had. Though simple, the short poetry embodies strong emotions that any readers can feel as she sees words and punctuations to express her feelings. The poetry Doria Shafiq had wrote did not just reach the eyes of the Egyptians before but also the eyes of the future generations. She delivered her history where there will be lessons, resiliency that readers can apply into their life, nevertheless the difference that their lives have.